Hey everybody, Brett here. And for those of you that are taking advantage of the neighborhood pages for your customers and you're sending out the monthly neighborhood nurture, some of you are realizing that the return email, the reply email, is no reply at kw.com. And obviously we don't want our customers to see that. One, it looks like spam, and two, we want them to be able to reply to us directly. So I'm going to show you real quick how to change that, and it's a super easy fix. So when we're in our KW command dashboard, we're going to go over to the profile drop-down menu over here, right next to your name. We're going to click that. We're going to go to settings, and then we're going to scroll down to Mailjet. And you can see right here, it gives us a glimpse of what that reply email address is. So we're going to click on manage, and then we're going to just type in the email address that we want it to go to as far as our reply to email. We're going to hit save changes, and now we can see that that's done. And that's it. Super easy fix. Now your customers will actually be able to click on that and reply to you directly. So I hope that helps, and you really ought to be taking advantage of those neighborhood nurtures. Those neighborhood landing pages are a great function that we have right now, and it is functioning at full capacity. So use that as a way to keep in touch with your customers. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And remember, explore the technology.